Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Bullish Degen token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Bullish Degen is a Solana based community token inspired by the "You are not bullish enough" meme culture. The project centered on building a shared identity for participants who embrace high energy, optimistic market sentiment. Its ecosystem includes community initiatives and themed merchandise designed to reinforce the bullish Degen brand and foster engagement across social channels. Bullish Degen token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion bullish token. Bullish token is listed on MEXC, XC.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.